good. You're filming. Action.
Are we making a trail?
Yeah, blue.
Might be in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, it's bright orange. Okay. You said Paul's behind us?
Yeah.
Let me get his recorder.
What?
I brought this one and I put fresh batteries in it, but I'm trying to take a test record. Stupid thing that won't even work. For once I thought everything was going to work.
You want to stop and check it out?
Or just ask Paul for his. He has a brand new one and he said we can just make notes. Oh wait, is it working? It's working.
Oh, that's Paul right behind us. I can tell because he's got the box.
Oh yeah.
You can tell if it's our...
How's your mirror?
It's like it's not, it's good, but it's not, it's like what's it called? Magnifying mirror.
Oh,
A little bit, I think. Because he looks a little blurry. But, oh, it's awesome. You can see right behind us. You got your recorder working?
Yes. I mean,
What do you want to call this? Want to mark it?
want to? You tell me that.
That's all right.
Okay.
This should be marked. Like a right 3. Wow.
Woo! Always wanted a mud bog. "92, right 3. 92, right 3.
I wonder if my seat's all the way back.
You look pretty far back.
Hey Nick, it's Pistol, you copy?
Yeah, copy you.
So you guys stay right with us, and then if you don't want to stay with us, make sure you tell me so I stop, so you guys will be in front of us.
Oh, we're like right behind you, like on your bumper.
Copy that.
You can just push that crappy Prerun in front of you.
Is that RG?
That's Clyde.
this? Left
Said
and right?
that's Clyde in front of us.
Yeah. No, I said you want to hit this left and right.
What?
I'm just asking you about a waypoint.
Oh, yeah. No, I didn't hear you.
That's
Should we
right.
turn it up a tiny bit?
Sure.
Boy, that just makes the bumper blow.
Yeah, no, it's
all
really,
right, though.
it's really loud.
I can hear you, though.
Yeah.
I don't think I got my seat all the way back.
Well, I think you got the steering wheel down.
I like the steering wheel.
Probably bring it up just a little bit, though.
These are pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
Was it fun in the dunes?
Yes. They work perfect. And yeah. Like CJ said that a whole bunch of people sold their dune buggies because they can use their Razor multiple places.
Yeah.
They work so, I mean, they're not as fast, but they work really nice.
Are you guys coming or following Clyde?
Maybe they're on his channel talking to him.
What?
I said maybe they went on his channel to talk to him.
Hey, Paul, you copy?
Yeah, copy.
Are you guys coming or are you following that black Prerunner?
No, we just passed him.
These are cool.
Yeah, they're awesome. It says danger ahead. See, this is another left at Y. Pretty obvious though.
Yeah.
Is that a danger?
Nah.
Copy.
Maybe. I don't know.
So.
Whatever you think.
Okay.
Nick, are you still right with me?
Yes, sir.
Copy that. Hey, Paul, either you or Nick, if you guys ever want to stop for a piss break or something, just let me know. I'll stop anywhere. We're in no big hurry.
Copy that. Copy that.
Damn, these things are pretty fun. This is my first time on like a real course, kind of. Paul, the spring setup on these seems perfect for what we're doing. Mark this a danger. Rollers.
93, copy.
Yeah, they're pretty good. A little stiffer would be better, but pretty good.
93, danger rollers.
It's just when you come off those big whoops like that.
Hold on. it's not working. It'd be better if I just had... Here we go. 93 danger rollers. 93 danger rollers. 93 danger rollers. 93 danger rollers.
Is it working?
Yeah. The button's just a little sensitive, so you...
Copy.
Yeah. It wants to be in pause.
Hey Nick, tell your driver every once in a while to take a look in his mirror and just make sure your tire's not bouncing around. I double strapped it, it should be fine. Mine's fine now, but just keep an eye on it. Wonder how many people are already out pre-running.
I know, a whole bunch.
What's rad is that there's no dust.
Yeah.
Man, I sure wish today was race weekend. Look at how awesome this would be with no dust.
No, today's like a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's awesome with the rain. Makes it pretty nice. Hey, we'll be stopping at in the back shop.
I missed some of that.
Who is that?
Nick.
What is he saying?
Something about stopping when he gets gas.
Wow, this is fun, huh?
Yeah.
No wonder people love these things. We should have set our odometer, huh? Are you cold?
Yes. I'm very cold. Not really very cold, but my hands are very cold.
You got gloves?
Yes.
Is our light supposed to be flashing on our thing?
Yes, that means it's filming. If it turns off, that means it either died or ran out of memory, and I have both to fix it. Extra battery and extra.
Oh, this is the Python, we're skipping it. Okay guys, it looks like this is the Python, but we're skipping it, so we'll only do that part in the race.
What's a Python mean?
Like that whole infield section.
Oh. Copy.
Hey Paul, are you behind Nick or in front of him?
We're coming up in the rear.
They're what? Oh,
That means that...
they're coming up in the rear?
Yeah, that means that they are last.
Yeah. I just put this fancy new mirror on mine to find you guys, to see you guys, and I don't see you. If the whole course is smooth like this, we're gonna make quick work of this pre-run.
Yeah. Hey, P, where's the main pit? Is it where is it at the hotel where we started?
Main pit, where is it?
What's that?
Is the main pit and the start at the hotel where we started this morning?
It's right there where we just turned left, where all the motorhomes were to the right. That's like the main pit area and the start area. But it does come down the river where that's just part of the course over by the hotel. And that's where it finishes. So the part of the course we're on right now is right at the beginning of the race. This is the start.
Copy.
So that right 3 that we marked, is it gonna be, are we hitting that backwards?
No,
Okay.
that's part of the course. But it's just, it goes down the river and then turns up that hill.
Oh, okay.
Where we started, that's
Yeah.
like
Gotcha.
right near the end of the lap.
Gotcha.
Mark that danger rollers. I just think if you're going really fast,
Yeah. Okay.
then there's another bad one up here.
94, move back a little bit. Danger rollers. Danger rollers, 94, move back a little bit.
Mark this one.
Can you hit? Okay. Just a second. Hold on. Try not to hit the, what do you want to call the last one? 95?
Danger hole.
Copy. 95, danger hole. 95, danger hole.